Folks, how are you doing? Uko aje? Vipi? Good to see you. Good to see you. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Now, no matter what you're going through, just be grateful that you have seen December 2022. The holidays are upon us. And Xmas is just around the corner. And I pray that you may continue being around. All right. Now, welcome to episode 4 of Nakuru Beyond the City. And today we are here in Barnabas as I promised. Now, if you're new to this series, just know that we have done Kiamunyi, London, and Pipeline Estates in Nakuru. Beyond the City is a series that delves deep into the various estates of Nakuru and uncovering the various aspects of those estates. Sawa sawa? And without further ado, let's explore Barnabas. Haya, I want to start with one element that I really like here at Barnabas, and that is housing. Okay? Now, Barnabas ni mtaa moja where you find beautiful modern apartments, all right? And that's because it's a new estate, all right? About 10-15 years back, you could hardly spot an apartment here at Barnabas. So those who are building now, they come up with modern designs. Like this one in front of me, ilianza kurent just this year, all right? The famous Kwetu homes here at Barnabas, they were ready around 2020, okay? And even Monarch Court, all right, with 3-bed bungalows, all right, the gated community Monarch Court, which I recently featured on my channel, they were ready like the other day. And here is another brand new one, all right? And that's another one, brand new too. Look at the Ridge Estate, all right? I featured them on this channel like a year ago. They are new, okay? I mean, there's just a sense of newness when it comes to housing here at Barnabas. Moreover, there are more apartments coming up, all right? And let me just show you a few of them. And besides apartments, Barnabas is home to many permanent home owners, with bungalows and mansionettes here and there. Now, can you get a piece of Barnabas? Why not? Barnabas is such a vast area, and there is so much undeveloped land, as you can see, all right? And occasionally you'll find property listed for sale. The rates here at Barnabas, don't ask me yet, but kuja na pesa mzuri. And because of the undeveloped fields, our pastoralist brothers do patrol this area sana with their livestock. As you can see, kama hizi hapa, wengine ndo wale pale wako na mbuzi, all right, thanks to the to the vast undeveloped fields hapa, all right. I mean, although kuna apartments here and there, bado some spaces bado ziko undeveloped. Commercial properties are also on the rise, especially along the highway. Na hapa Nakuru, we don't build high rises, all right? Because geography ilisema Nakuru iko place kuna high degree ya hazard, all right, ya earthquakes, But I mean, okay, so far the tallest building is Tower 1 and it's in town. I think it's an 8-9 story building, but maybe tunaweza jaribu tuone, some things sometimes nakonga ni myths, eh? But maybe tunaweza jaribu na a 12-15 story tuone itakuaje. I mean, who has the money to take that risk? Who has the money to take that risk? Watu wa wash. I think this is where you come in. This is your chance to shine. All right? Apparently, you're the only folks who can lose millions today and make more millions few months down the line. Ama hiyo ni ndoto ya mchana. Alright, so you guys, perhaps you can bring your money tujaribu tuone kama tunaweza jenga a 15-story building hapa Nakuru, tuone kama just to experiment. Na nilisema kweli where Barnabas is located. Aha. Alright, from Nakuru town it's toward the sides of going to Nairobi. A 15-20 minutes drive from Nakuru CBD. If you are coming from Nairobi, Barnabas is where the dual carriage starts. Na kuna kibao hapo inakonga inaambia mtu Barnabas. Anyway, let's continue. Umash Funeral Home inapatikana hapa Barnabas, Umash Funeral Home. Alright, we are still on the business side of Barnabas. Na hapa pia kuna folks ambao wana deal na making of barbecues, maboilers, vitu kama hizo, you know. Ukitaka kubuy playground equipment for kids, maswings na kadhalika, kuna watu wana deal na vitu kama hizo hapa Barnabas. Alright, kuna watu pia wana deal na mambo na concrete hapa Barnabas. In addition, companies have sought to set up shop here at Barnabas, like the one you're looking at. That is a Super Mabati factory, and opposite Super Mabati factory, you know, just across the highway, there is a Century Mabati. All right, alafu there is this one too. All right, there is this one coming up here. Sijui kama ni ya paints, but we wait to see. But you know, just to let you know that companies, businesses, large businesses are considering Barnabas as a good place to set up shop. Now let's look at the recreation spots and hotels in Barnabas. My favorite is Buraha Zenoni Hotel upper Barnabas. I love their food, the ambience and the view from up there. Pale juu kuna kuwa na kaview kengine ka smart sana, ka surrounding. And there's also a swimming pool on location. The newest kid on the block ni Himaya Gardens. Alright, this is brand new, ilifunguliwa tu hii mwaka. And folks, on this day it rained cats and dogs, and I took shade hapa Himaya Gardens. This is the only place with a heated swimming pool in Nakuru. You know, both the big and the small one. So kulinyesha sana, you know, but I'll still show you around Himaya Gardens. I love this place hapa, and here you can bring a party, you know. Ama hata ka conference tu kadogo. And actually I have one party ya kuleta hapa, and I will bring it here at Himaya Gardens. Besides, wako pia na garden kubwa hapa nje, you know, for team building activities, you know, vitu kama tag of wars, mnaweza kuja mcheze hapa, hata ball tu, you know, or even for holding big events, you know, kama uko na big events, ma tent nini, these guys they will organize kusetia up hapa hivi nje, and then you can have your event peacefully. Haya, kuna veterans kama kina Hotel Wagon, alright, and kina Miale wako hapa. I've never been inside these ones, but I was in Miale. Yeah, I was in Miale back when Eagle's Nest Lounge used to be on site. Saizi Eagle's Nest Lounge wako pale rooftop at the Golden Life Mall along the Nakuru Eldoret Highway. Hapo ndo utawapata Eagle's Nest Lounge, but kitambo walikuanga hapa. Alright. Aha, Naku Breeze iko hapa. Naku Breeze, hii ni stopover kubwa hapa inaitwa Naku Breeze. Alright, it's a big stopover where the magari kama North Rift, you know, na matatu zingine za long distance, you know, zinakujanga hapa hivi, watu wanakula lunch, watu wanajisaidia na kadhalika, you know. Haya, places za kupiga sherehe hapa Barnabas ziko mob pia. Tukianza na fire starter. Right? Fire starter, mwanzisha moto. Okay. So I'm inside fire starter. Alright. Then kuna flavors lounge. Alright. Flavors. Na ziko tu along the highway actually. Alright. Places mingi hapa hivi za kupiga sherehe, they are just along the highway. And there are many, you know, both big and small. Ndo hizo zingine. You see that signboard? Sensei, sindio? Sensei ni shule moja, it's a college ya technology, which is located right here at Barnabas. Alright. Alafu kuna soko mahali hapa kwa barabara pia, you know, mahali ambapo jioni watu wanapita, wananunua vitunguu, wananunua nyanya, nini, groceries na kadhalika, iko tu hapa hivi. Mambo na shopping, you know, watu wa Barnabas wako na access to 2 big supermarkets. One ni Chawaka supermarket and the second one is Stagemart. You know, the 2 supermarkets are about 200 meters apart and they are just along the highway pia. Hospitali nimeona a few. Now let's look at the road network around Barnabas, okay? Na hii ni mtaa moja ambayo is served by Moram roads and these roads can get dusty during the dry season, during the dry season si mchezo. Alright, and you can see from the shot, you know how the roads branch from the highway into the estate. Alright, na kwenda huko ndani they connect to each other. Na hata kama ni Moram, I mean these roads are passable. Alright, so hautapata shida yoyote, you know, ukiwa na gari ama hata ukiwa mguu labda tu ni kavumbi, lakini barabara zinapitika. Alright, I came across this greenhouse. Ni kama kuna mtu anafanya agriculture hapa. Lakini hapa Barnabas mambo ya ukulima haifanyi poa vile. You know, hapo ukipanda mahindi you'll be lucky to harvest anything unless labda uweke greenhouse like the fellow we just seen. Lakini kutegemea mvua, hapa nimeona mahindi, you know, hata haigrow ifike mita moja. You know, that's when nimesema you'll be lucky to harvest. You know, making Barnabas a place that is good for real estate development. Both commercial and residential. Ukulima ukitaka, jaribu Kiamunyi, Bahati, Njoro, such areas. You can even go as far as Molo, Elbagon na huko. Hizo ndo places ambazo unaweza fanya ukulima vizuri. And up to that point, I believe you have an idea of what to find in Barnabas, where to relax, where to shop, na kadhalika. And this is when I say see you in the next one. The next one we will be in Naka Estate. Alright, hapo it's a 10 minutes drive from town. That is kama hakuna jam. You know, I can be saying 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Lakini when there is jam, you can be stuck for quite a while, But all factors kept constant, Naka ni place ya 10 minutes drive from town. And if you're loving this series, you know, Nakuru Beyond the City, give the video a like, share and subscribe. You know, kama wewe ni mgeni, hit the subscription button. And yes, yours truly, EZRA ONDARA.